I'm Al Schoeneman, and this is Schoeneman's.
Schoeneman's is a building materials center with 2 locations in the Sioux Falls area. One on Cliff Avenue, just north of Harrisburg, and one near 49th and Western in Sioux Falls. They have a long history of serving customers' building needs.
Schoeneman's in business since 1888. My great-grandfather knew that the family farm wasn't going to be big enough to support all the children, and so they decided to get in the lumber, the building material, grain, and coal business. Through high school, I worked somewhat at the business, and then I went away to school down at Kansas University, and I came back and worked a couple summers in the business delivering sheetrock. So I talked to my dad and uncle who were running the operation then in Sioux Falls, and I said, could I come back to the lumber business because nobody else would hire me? And they said yes. If I didn't get in the family business, I don't know what I'd do. It's my life, and that's what I really enjoy. Our complete strategy in treating customers was we always tell the employees to treat customers like you want to be treated. I think if you want to remember something about Schoeneman's, it's quality, efficiency, and good employees.
Now let's hear more about Schoeneman's from the manager of their Harrisburg store.
Hi, I'm Norris, and we're at Schoeneman's in Harrisburg.
The Harrisburg location is right off Cliff Avenue, just north of town.
What people will find when they come into Schoeneman's is everything you need to build a house, everything from plumbing, all the way through roofing, decking, windows, doors, everything. We can work with all kinds of budgets, whether you're just doing a small project on your own or you're building a new home.
If you're ready to build your dream deck, Schoeneman's has a high-performance option from the Trex brand. It's a composite deck material made of recycled plastic and wood fibers.
Trex is the industry leader in composite decking. They've been at it longer than anybody. They've figured out the ins and outs to build it the right way.
Trex comes in many different colors to complement your home. And maintenance is easy. Wash it once a year and it stays looking great.
Trex decking is an awesome product. It's the kind of thing you'd want to use if you want to get rid of rotting old wood on your deck. Trex is made to resist our kind of weather, the hot, the cold. If you're thinking about replacing your deck, get in touch with us. Give us a call, stop and see us, we'll help you out. Now let's go look at a Trex decking project that was recently completed. When we first came out here, this was an old, probably 20-year-old deck that was just plain worn out, gray, weathered, splintery. It needed some help. The new deck basically replaces the exact shape and size of what was here. They did add some steps and a little bit more fancy to it. They chose a natural wood finish that would complement the color of their house. I think the best part about this deck is with all the details to it, the railings, the steps. A lot of the decking, the builder went out of his way to do a really good job on it. The homeowners love it. They don't have to do any maintenance. They got their deck back. They have a fire table, and it's just a great place to hang out.
Schoeneman's can help with any size project, from a small deck to a large one like this.
Schoeneman's has been around for more than 130 years, and we've made a reputation of helping people. If you're getting ready to build a deck, just come and see us. We'll sit down, we'll talk about it, we'll figure out what you want. We'd love to work with you.